Out of all the planets in our diverse solar system, Earth is definitely the most special one. Sure, we have Saturn's rings and Jupiter's moons, but no other place that we know of in the entire universe has life, and that should tell us more than enough about this blue marble we live on. I call it a blue marble because it is dominated by water. So let's look around at this planet and find out why we actually have life on Earth. We are 150 million kilometers away from the sun, close enough for it to be warm enough to have water, and not too far away enough for it to be frozen. Ultimately, water is the source of all life. That's why it's so essential that our planet has it. Now, let's quickly examine why water is so essential to our life on Earth. Water acts as a solvent, meaning that it can dissolve things, and this allows many of the important chemical reactions that make life possible work. Now, let's go over some other things about why this planet is perfect for us. When you go to the beach for a nice day out, or maybe you are on a nice holiday, most of the time you will put on some sunscreen. Why? So you don't get sunburned, obviously. But what actually is a sunburn? It's basically where radiation damages your skin and causes harm to it. Hear that? Radiation. Radiation is exceptionally toxic as it destroys our genetic information. Thankfully, here on Earth, it isn't that bad. There's no risk of death, unlike other planets. Take as an example, Mars. Mars is uninhabitable, mainly because of the radiation it is subjected to. If we had Mars's level of radiation, we wouldn't exist. So, why don't we? Two reasons: magnetosphere and atmosphere. Let's start with the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is basically an invisible field around Earth that magnetically deflects incoming radiation. It exists because the iron in our Earth's core is magnetic. The second reason is our atmosphere. This absorbs any leftover radiation from the sun before it hits the surface. Now, sure, a little is left here and there, but we end up with a very habitable planet that is perfect for us. So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, subscribe, and leave me a comment saying what I can improve on in this video. By the way, this is also the third in a series that I will be making about the entire solar system, so stay tuned if you'd like to keep on watching that. And anyway, goodbye.